Hi everybody, and today we're going to be taking a look at the thinnest iPhone case that I have ever owned. Now this is from a company called Totallee. I got this off Amazon and it was only $9.99 I think, so not too bad. And this is the packaging that it comes in. I've just pulled it out there, and you've got this little like plastic pouch. And you've got a little information leaflet there, and so it comes in a packet like this. You just tear the top, and then this is the case itself. Now, as you can see, it's very flimsy, but if you don't like using cases on your iPhone and you want to protect it from scratches and everything, then this is probably the best way to go. So if I just take my iPhone out of the case it's in, and we'll just pop it in this one here. It's fairly easy to pop it on, and you can't even tell really that there's a case on the phone, just because it's that thin. Now obviously you've got no razivity on the sides for when you're popping it face down, but the fit of it's great. You've got your little cutout there for the mute switch. You know, you've got your cutouts on the bottom for, you know, the speakers and that. But no, overall, if you don't like using a case but you just want to protect it from scratches, then this is the best way to go. And for $9.99 you can't really go wrong. So that was just a quick look at the Totallee phone case. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.